Hi, I'm Bruce Frantzis. In the middle of November, I'm going to be having a 5-element workshop focusing on the metal element, about how it can benefit you in all aspects of your life, physical, emotional, mental, spiritual, and how it can prepare you to have an easier ride in the winter, which is often very difficult for people. If you take a season, the element during the season before it, you're doing something to smooth it out, it will make what happens in the element of the next season go more smoothly. So what the metal element does is that it can and is terribly helpful for getting a person to be able to stay on point. There are two central issues that are always at play in Qigong in one way or another. One is stability. Something is contained, it is made stable. The other one is instability. In the Chinese word is Hsing-I. It disperses. The most useful for that, and it's the reason why many martial arts and Qigong systems begin with it, is standing. There was only one kind of sentence simply mentioned, which was, if you stand, your insides will wake up. Santi is from the system of Hsing-I. It's considered to be the king of standing postures, and as well as we'll be doing some from the original 200 standing postures from which all the standing postures in the world of Qigong were developed. The reason why standing postures were always done really before you got into moving postures was that your mind was stable, it was able to be aware in everything in your body so that when you were moving, you didn't disconnect. When this is moving and that's going this way, it's very easy to have them go on two separate tracks to where your mind bifurcates. The metal thing all keeps it contained within, and with this thing of being able to go out and come back, it enables you to be aware of what you're doing when you move. So we'll be connecting the metal element as it is important in the various aspects of your life, as well as we'll be doing moving exercises and meditation. I hope to see you for the special seasonal workshop. It'll be in mid-November. Thank you very much.